Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and this is NY. And if you want to know how to make this beautiful Mother's Day balloon bouquet, please stick around and I will show you how. We will inflate our balloons. Here is our chrome 11 inches balloon. You need 4 of this silver and 4 of your mauve balloon. So we'll start. So I inflated this. We will inflate this to 8 inches or 20.32 centimeter. So there it is, guys. For this, you connect them just like that. Put this on the side. Same thing with your mold. Okay. So now we will use this balloon weight right here, where I use 2 of our white 5 inches latex balloon filled with water, and then you attach that using our fishing line. So you tie your fishing line here, and we'll connect it here. So that would be on the bottom, right there. Okay. So you put your silver on top. So we put it in between. And then shape like a number 8. You push it down a little. Then go here. Shape like number 8. Like that. And then give it a little tag. And there you go. This is gonna be our base. So as I said, the bottom you'll see the balloon weight. So this time, guys, we will grab our boo-boo balloon. So per instruction, you will stretch this. Then after you stretch this, it's time to inflate them. Just let it stretch so the material gets stretched, and then slide it down again. So now, guys, we're ready to put our balloons right here. This is 5 inches. We'll put it inside. So once again, you inflate your balloon a little. You need a straw or stick. Put it in here. And then we'll inflate our 5 inches balloon pump. I'll cut the tip. So there you go, guys. So right there, there's your balloons inside. So you give it a little twist. Give it a little twist, and then use your 260Q to tie it right there. So you make sure this is nice and tight. to trap the air in there. There you go, guys. I'm gonna put this on here. So remember, we have the fishing line. You attach your fishing line here as well. Okay, so now we will put it here. Same thing, you wanna wrap it here. And then there you go, your balloon is connected. See? It stays there. It's not going nowhere. Alright guys, so now we're ready to inflate our 5 inches balloons here. So this is 5 inches. We'll inflate this to 3 inches or 7.62 centimeter on our balloon sizer. Alright guys, so I already got this all inflated, and now we're just gonna cut the tip here. So now that will be the front. So on the side right here, on the front right here, I will stick this balloon using our balloon glue dots. So you just stick it right on here. Like that. Alright guys, so now we're ready to attach all our flowers here. So I already pre-made this. And once again, if you want to know how to make this beautiful flower right here, we have some video tutorial right there that you can follow. We do this because we don't want our video to be really long. This time we will attach this here using our balloon glue dots. So guys, I'll be using our glue gun, low temperature glue gun, so they'll be connected properly. Alright guys, so we're almost done with our Mother's Day balloon bouquet. So now I'm gonna inflate our 260Q silver. I inflate it all the way and then tie this right here. So I'm gonna shape this into spiral. Somehow just shape it like that. Go. And then another one. I will need my balloon glue dots. I'll stick it right here. And that will support your flower as well. There you go, guys. Maybe I want it a little shorter. Yep. So we'll make it shorter. So now we're ready to attach our final touch, our MOM, our mom. So we printed this from our Silhouette Cameo 4. So we will put it on here. And there you go, guys, our Mother's Day balloon bouquet. Great for your mother or a gift for your loved ones. So to all the mothers out there, to my mother, to my wife, to my sisters, and all the mothers in the whole wide world, happy Mother's Day to everyone. And I hope you like this, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and give us some comments and give us your thoughts. What are your thoughts about this? Alright guys, hope you like this. See at the back, right there. It's sturdy and it wiggles like that. Alright guys, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!